So coming to the ideal vessel to be used for storing water and drinking water. So the question is, which vessel is ideal for storing and drinking water? Is copper or glass or steel or earthen pot? So among them, which is good? I'm quite confused since there are some pros and cons in all of them. So I'm curious to know about Ayurvedic perspective of storing water in particular vessels.
The best vessel would be definitely earthen pot, the mud pot. From the point of lucrativeness or something like that, or the fragility of the mud pot, or repeatedly it maybe become porous or something like that. It is always go for the some one which is stays for a longer duration with us. That type of thing. It is something like a stainless steel. Then better thing for this is also glass, but of course once again it is fragile. But there is one always people ask whether keeping water in a copper vessel is good or not to the body. Yes, definitely yes. Keeping the water in a copper vessel for 8 to 12 hours is always good. It is sufficient to kill the bacteria, fungus and all those things in that, and that is very good. It when it passes on the copper ions to the water, and it is good to the body, and it is helping to the body in a many way, of course. But one should not put any sour material or acidic material or even hot water to the copper vessels, because too much of copper ion, if it is discharged into the water, instead of giving a positive benefit on the body, it may even cause a negative effect. Too much of copper may also cause some disease in our body. So care should be taken that only it is cold water, fresh water without any acidic material to that. Put it to the vessel for 8 to 12 hours, then use it. Afterwards, don't keep it in that, throw it off. If it is not used, then you cannot use it for drinking purposes.
I mean, there is a quote from, I think, Rasaratna Samuchaya or Ayurveda Prakasha. It says, Na Visham Vishamityahu Tamrantu Vishamuchyate. I mean, there is no bigger poison than copper itself. I mean, but copper has, in Ayurveda we use it after purification and all, but, storing it, water in it will be having, very minute amounts of copper that will not cause any poisonous effect. But it is very good for people with obesity, hypercholesterolemia, for all those patients more, because copper has that scraping lekhana effect.
By keeping the water in copper vessels, that ions which are passed on to the water are very much mild and very in a less quantity. It may not be inducing a scraping effect or any good effect on the body. It's only just as already if you are on a medicine for hyperlipidemia or obesity, it may be supporting that line, so that maybe action may be a little bit enhanced, but doesn't directly participate in a breaking of the pathology by these water. It is not possible. Just simply by just with a few charged particles of copper cannot induce such much of change in obesity and all this. Obesity and all these things basically on the food what they consume and the inactivity what they do. All these things are very important.